Top 10 largest solar power station in the world. Number 10, NP Kunta Ultra Mega Solar Park, India. Capacity 978 megawatts. Number 9, Datong Solar Power Top Runner Base in China. Capacity 1000 megawatts. Number 8, Karnool Ultra Mega Solar Park in India. Capacity 1000 megawatts. Number 7, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park in UAE. Capacity 1013 megawatts. Number 6, Noor Abu Dhabi, UAE. Capacity 1177 megawatts. Number 5, Tengar Desert Solar Park, China. Capacity 1547 megawatts. Number 4, Benban Solar Park, Egypt. Capacity 1650 megawatts. Number 3, Pavagara Solar Park in India. Capacity 2050 megawatts. Number 2, Huangche Hydropower Hainan Solar Park in China. Capacity 2200 megawatts. Number 1, Bhadla Solar Park in India. Capacity 2245 megawatt.